Interactive whiteboards are used by many educators in today's classrooms to help engage, motivate, and help students learn. Interactive whiteboards are valuable resources and allow for students to use technology as a path for learning. Interactive whiteboards can be used to capture notes written on the whiteboard surface, display websites, play videos, create lessons, show student presentations, and also allow students to interact with the whiteboard. One very common brand of interactive whiteboard comes from Smart Technology. This board is known as a Smart Board. I will briefly demonstrate how to get started in planning a lesson using Smart Notebook, which is the software provided by Smart Technologies for educators using a Smart Board. As a history teacher, one topic that I would present to students is World War II. I would begin creating my lesson by selecting a background for my lesson. I would go to the Gallery tab, go to the Gallery Sample folder, click the drop-down for Backgrounds and Themes, scroll through the different backgrounds, and choose the background that I wish. Once I find the background I want, I can double-click, and here I'll be asked where I want to insert it. For this case, we'll do all page. Next, I would like to insert a map of Europe to show students where important battles were fought. Using my Gallery Essentials folder, I'll select History, scroll down and find my World folder, scroll down, and select the topic of World War II. Using the Pictures drop-down, I can scroll through pictures that all relate to World War II. I will choose the map that I want, I can click and drag it over to my presentation. I can then use the resize handle to make it as big as I want. If I would like to pinpoint where certain battles were fought, I can use the Shapes button and put them on my map, indicating where battles were fought. If I wanted to label my map, I could use the Text button, choose what type I would like, draw my text box, choose my font and size, and then begin to type in the text box. I would then center it and click outside to make sure it all worked. After I'm happy with my map, I may want to add another page. I would use the Add Page button on the top toolbar, click my Gallery tab, scroll through the pictures correlated with World War II, find a picture I want, click and drag, insert it onto the presentation, use the resize handle, once again, to make the picture the desired size that I want. I could then add text on the slide using the Text button, draw my text box, could then begin to type. Here I'll label who is in the picture. We see Winston Churchill and President Franklin Roosevelt. I would then make sure that I have the correct size and font that I desire. Click out and make sure everything looks correct. Another feature I can use is called the Smart Exchange. This link allows me to search other educators who use Smart Notebook work. Here I would click Search, which will connect me to Smart Technologies website. After it loads, it'll allow me to search the type of resources I want. Here I'll put our subject, World War II. Hit Search. I can then search by subject and grade. We'll select all. Hit Search and see what we come up with. Here we can see some teachers have already made lessons over World War II overview, World War II technology, World War II impact, World War II and the Holocaust, World War II and defense workers. So these are some options that I could choose to download into my presentation if I so desired. You always want to make sure that you remember to save by clicking File, Save, and saving it in a location that you'll remember. Here, I'll name it World War II, and click Save. I hope this video helps you understand how to get started using Smart Notebook for creating a lesson for the classroom.